Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into AlayaCare, a comprehensive platform designed to help you manage home healthcare services efficiently in 2025. Whether you're a caregiver, a scheduler, or agency manager, AlayaCare offers tools to streamline operations and improve patient care. Start by looking into your AlayaCare account. The dashboard gives you a clear overview of your clients, caregivers, and schedule visits. Scheduling is simple. Assign a caregiver to a client, set visit times, and manage changes all in one place. AlayaCare also supports mobile check-in and real-time updates, so caregivers can log visits, capture notes, and report vital signs directly from their phones. This keeps everyone informed and ensures accurate care documentation. Billing and payroll are integrated, making invoices clients and compensating caregivers hassle-free. The platform also provides compliance tracking to help agencies meet regulatory requirements without extra paperwork. With built-in reporting, you can monitor service quality, caregiver performance, and client satisfaction, helping you to make data-driven decisions to improve care. So, if you want to manage home healthcare service smoothly and efficiently, AlayaCare in 2025 is a powerful tool to have in your toolkit. And thanks for watching. If this helped you to get started with AlayaCare, please like this video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more healthcare tech guides. Catch you in the next video.